Good morning, YouTube. It is officially the 30th. Not too crazy much on the plate today, but gonna go get an oil change in the Hyundai. So, we're about to go out and run some errands, get a few things done. I gotta do an oil change in my Hyundai today while I'm here. And gonna enjoy this nice day. It's such a beautiful day today. Door's fucking locked. The fuck, bro?
Hey.
Locking me out of the damn car? Driving away while the door's still open? You were on a roll today.
I got a mission, motherfucker.
Apparently, hey, 77 degrees outside, not bad. Can't get my seatbelt on, what the fuck? Gonna go grab some delicious lunch. It's gonna be good, I hope. Cool.
Thank you so much.
Cannot go wrong at all. Oh man, Mark got multiple hairs cut. Not just a haircut, multiple hairs. He's throwing frickin' milk duds or whatever, Raisinets at me. Oh, you son of a bitch. He's locking me out of the car. Oh, there we go. So, thanks to some inspiration from the boss, I made a 21st century mixtape for someone. It was a Spotify playlist because welcome to the 21st century. And it's the first time I've actually done that. It's kind of fun. It's an interesting playlist. And it's very funny if you listen to it in order. I'm off to get an oil change in the Hyundai. Woohoo! I left Mark behind for this one. So I just did my oil change. Never, ever, ever in my life have I experienced an oil change that took 8 minutes from the time I pulled in to the time I pulled out. Literally. That's how long it took. That was insane. Absolutely. I didn't even, like, I wasn't prepared for how fast that was gonna happen. I'm still blown away. Wow. So we're taking a walk into Whole Foods, and holy shit, this is a nice Xterra. God damn. Wow.
Not too brown, not too brown, not too brown on the creme brulee, okay? It's too brown.
Too brown?
Much too brown.
Okay.
For the creme brulee, we like this one. We don't like that one. We like this one. This one is good. Oh, I like those two. The front two is good.
Alright, you got it.
Alright.
Good one.
Alright. The creme brulee for two. You see? Okay.
So, my mom happens to really like Alex and Ani jewelry. So every time I drive past an Alex and Ani store, I send her a picture of the logo. I'm a shitty son, I know. If you need any further proof that I don't do this, this is her response to me sending her a picture of that sign. And that, my friends, is it for today. So keep on keeping on, and I'll see you in the AM tomorrow.